Walk into a Five Guys anywhere in the world and something feels different. The place is busy, the fries are fresh, the peanuts are everywhere. People are waiting, but they don't seem annoyed. At first, it doesn't feel like a giant fast food chain. It feels more local, like a burger spot that just opened down the street. But here's the weird part. Five Guys has hundreds of locations across different countries. It is not small, not even close. So why does it still feel like it is? And the answer starts with a decision most fast food chains would never make. When you walk into a Five Guys and you take a slow look around, you will see nothing is trying to impress you. There are no glowing menu boards pulling your eyes in every direction, no digital screens changing every few seconds, no loud branding trying to tell you how great the food is. Instead, you see red and white tiles, plain tables, open space, a menu that looks almost too simple. It might feel basic at first, but that basic look is doing something very intentional. It removes distance. Big chains often create a gap between you and the food. Everything is polished and controlled. It feels like the food is coming from a system you cannot see or understand. Five Guys breaks that wall. They let you see the mess, the stacks of potatoes, the boxes of ingredients, the open kitchen where everything is happening in real time. It almost feels unfinished, and that is exactly the point. Because when a place looks a little raw, your brain reads it as honest. You feel like nothing is being hidden from you. Even the menu design plays a role here. It is not crowded with bright colors or limited time deals screaming for attention. It looks more like something printed and put up without much fuss. That simplicity slows you down. You are not being rushed into a decision you will regret later. You are just simply choosing food. That is how small burger spots feel. There's also something else going on that most people never notice. Big brands usually want consistency in how they look, but they also want to feel modern. So they update their design often. New colors, new layouts, new branding. Five Guys does not chase that. Walk into different locations and they feel almost frozen in time. That creates a sense of stability. It feels like the place has always been there, like it's not trying to keep up with trends. And when something doesn't chase trends, it feels more grounded, more local. Then there's the open kitchen. This is one of the strongest signals they send. You can see the grill, you can hear the food cooking, you can watch your order being made step by step. There is no barrier. That changes how you feel as a customer. Instead of waiting for a number to be called from a hidden back room, you are watching your food come to life. It feels closer, more personal, almost like someone is cooking for you, not just serving you. Even the famous peanut boxes sitting out in the open add to this feeling. They are not packaged in a polished way. They are just there, stacked and ready. It feels casual, like something you would see in a small roadside burger place. All these details come together quietly. No single thing stands out on its own, but together they create an experience that doesn't feel corporate. It feels human, and that is a rare thing in fast food. Because once a place feels human, people lower their guard. They stop seeing it as a chain. They start seeing it as their burger spot. And that feeling is hard to copy. But what makes this even more interesting is what happens after you order, because the simplicity you see on the walls continues in the food itself. Walk up to the counter at a Five Guys and look at the menu for a moment. It almost feels too simple. There is no long list to scan, no confusing categories, no special deals fighting for your attention. You see burgers, you see fries, you see a few extras, and that's it. At first, it might even feel like something is missing, because most fast food places train you to expect more. More options, more combos, no new items every few months. But that more comes with a cost. When a menu grows too large, the kitchen becomes a system trying to juggle too many things at once. Different cooking times, different ingredients, different steps for each item. That pressure shows up in the food. Things get rushed, mistakes happen, quality becomes harder to control. Five Guys made a very different choice. They decided early on to stay narrow, not because they couldn't expand, but because they understood something most brands ignore. Focus creates consistency. When the menu stays small, the kitchen becomes predictable. The staff repeat the same actions again and again. They learn the timing, they learn the feel of the grill. They know exactly when something is ready without second guessing. That kind of repetition builds skill, and skill shows up in every order. There is also something else happening in your mind as a customer. When you stand in front of a huge menu, your brain works harder. You compare, you hesitate, you second guess your choice. That feeling creates a small amount of stress, even if you do not notice it. At Five Guys, that stress disappears. You are not overwhelmed. You are choosing from a tight set of options that all point in the same direction. A burger made your way. Fries cooked fresh. That simplicity makes the experience feel easy. And when something feels easy, it feels familiar, like a place you have known for years. There's another detail that adds to this. Even though the menu is small, it does not feel limiting because of customization. You can add toppings, change combinations, adjust your burger to fit what you like. So instead of offering dozens of different items, they give you control over one core item. That's a subtle shift, but it matters. It keeps the kitchen simple, but it makes the customer feel like they have choice. That balance is hard to get right. Most chains either overwhelm you with options or restrict you too much. Five Guys sits right in the middle. Simple structure, personal control. That combination creates a feeling that is very close to a small burger shop, where you are not picking from a system, you're building your own meal. There's also a business reason behind this approach. A smaller menu means fewer ingredients to manage, fewer chances for things to go bad, fewer shortcuts needed to keep up with demand. That often means the ingredients stay fresher, and when ingredients are fresher, the food feels more real. From a health point of view, this matters too. The food is still heavy, the portions are large, the calories add up quickly and quietly. But the simplicity of the menu means fewer hidden additives and less extreme processing compared to more complex fast food items. You can see what you're eating. That transparency builds another layer of trust. And trust is what keeps people coming back, even if they can't explain why. But the real magic happens after you place your order, because keeping the menu simple is only part of the story. What they do with those few items behind the counter is what truly sets them apart. At many fast food places, a lot of the work is done before the food reaches the store. Frozen patties, pre-cooked items, heated and assembled. Five Guys does it differently. The burgers are cooked fresh when you order. The fries are cut in-store. Nothing sits under heat lamps waiting for the next customer. This slows things down a bit, but it changes how people experience the food. You can hear the grill, smell the fries, and see the team working. It feels alive. That's the same feeling people get at a small local restaurant. There's also a health angle here. Fresh cooking often means fewer preservatives and less processing. The food is still high in calories, but the ingredients are more direct. You can see what you're eating. That transparency builds trust, and trust is one of the reasons people keep coming back. Still, there's another detail most people notice without thinking about it. In many big chains, everything is scripted. How to greet, what to say, how to respond. It feels controlled. At Five Guys, the interaction is different. Staff talk more naturally. The energy feels less forced. It's not perfect every time, but it feels real. That matters more than people think. When service feels human, the entire place feels smaller. It feels like the people working there actually have some freedom. And that breaks the corporate feeling most chains struggle to hide. Even small things like calling out orders or chatting with customers add to that experience. It creates a sense that this place is run by people, not just a system. But there's one more piece that ties everything together, and it's something most customers never notice directly. This is where it gets interesting. Five Guys is actually very structured behind the scenes. There are strict rules for how food is prepared. There are standards for ingredients. There are checks to keep everything consistent. That's how they make sure a burger tastes the same in different locations. But they don't show you that structure. Instead, they design the experience to feel loose, simple, and local. So while the system is strong, it stays invisible. That creates a strange effect. You get the reliability of a big chain, but the feeling of a small business. And that balance is rare. Most brands lean too far in one direction. Five Guys found a way to sit right in the middle. People don't just buy food, they buy how a place makes them feel. At Five Guys, the food is part of the story. The rest comes from the environment, the open kitchen, the simple menu, the natural service, the fresh cooking. All of it sends one message: this place is real. Even if you know it's a global brand, it doesn't feel like one. And that feeling sticks. It's the reason someone walks past other fast food spots just to get that same burger again. It's not just about taste, but about trust. And once a brand earns that, it becomes hard to replace. The same choices that make Five Guys feel small also make their food very different from what most people expect.